The multi-sharp drill bit sharpener is great for DIY restoration of all your worn drill bits. Sharp drill bits help improve drilling performance, reduce time and effort, and improve drilling accuracy. This sharpener tool sharpens all major 3 to 13mm bit types, with precision grinds to the correct tip and relief angles. The tool is driven by your electric drill, which must have an operational speed of around 3000 RPM. There are 2 grinding wheels, the grey aluminium oxide wheel, which grinds high-speed steel drill bits at 118 degrees, and the green silicon carbide wheel, which grinds all 2 and 4 edge masonry drill bits at 132 degrees. It also comes with an attachment for sharpening all your center-pointed wood bits. The green silicon carbide wheel also doubles as a compact bench grinder to grind cold chisels, spade bits, punches and screwdrivers. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews just like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.